Hello and welcome to the 2024 STEK Expo. We're out at our global headquarters and we're surrounded by our distributors from all around the world. We've come together this week to cover workshops, inside views and direction for STEK and what's ahead in 2024, 25 and beyond. We'll go and follow ourselves around the property here and see all the different workshops and activities that we have going on to keep our distributors engaged, educated, and up to speed on what's new from the STEK revolution. Special opportunity for all the global distributors that joined us at this year's Expo is to get a first-hand look inside the manufacturing facility at all the equipment and technology, including the research and development that goes into making STEK products as exclusive and proprietary as they are. Let's jump in and have a look. Now we're taking a stop behind the manufacturing facility to show you guys what we're doing to be more eco-friendly. You might think that manufacturing plastics, a paint protection film, window tint isn't the most environmentally friendly thing you can do, but it turns out if you're wrapping your cars in our colors or paint protection film, it's actually a lot more friendly than painting your car. That's because we're able to reduce, reuse, and recycle the carbon emissions and CO2 that we emit through manufacturing to heat up the facility and make sure that we're being as environmentally conscious as possible. In an effort to become a one-stop shop, our STEK distributors at the Expo are getting a first-hand look at our STEK Formula PPF car care and detailing lineup. This lineup's designed to let you complete your car start to finish, from the prep through the detailing, installation, and even follow-up maintenance. That includes car care products, chemicals, as well as coatings, and any restoration kits that you need to get the most life and best experience with any of the STEK products you might choose. As we step into the STEK global headquarters, one of the first things you'll see is our premium shop. Now the premium shop's here to give you guys a taste of what you can offer your clients. Whether that's from design aspects that you want to bring into your own shop or to tangible marketing materials like literature, other samples, sample displays, signage, and more STEK gear. Let's go ahead and jump in and take a first-hand look.
You can buy things or it's all available.
And you can't forget something pretty important, grabbing some treats along your way. Another workshop that our global distributors are getting to experience hands-on this week is going to be our digital experiences. That's going to include our 3D Changer, which is a revolutionary software that's going to allow your customers to select what vehicle they want, what films going on, help them shop and get a visual experience before actually committing to the purchase. We're also covering our STEK Shield, which is going to totally change the way that we can interact with our clients, follow through with leads, as well as keep track of what films are going on what vehicles, which can lead to better reporting and warranty help if ever needed down the road. Beside me, we're looking at our CUTZ software. Now CUTZ is our cutting solution, which will allow you to offer templates on vehicles that want them. And with the variety of patterns, makes, and models that are available and customizability to be able to extend edges or not, you can offer whatever production level of installation you desire. These are just a few solutions that we're introducing to help make being a part of the STEK revolution as beneficial to our installers and the customers as possible. Right behind me is a super secret meeting with our global CEO covering what's to come, what's new from STEK, and what you guys all can look forward to in the future. Now I'd tell you more if I could, but I really can't, so stay tuned. In case you've had a stressful day at the manufacturing plant or down at your office, why not come up to the roof, blow some steam, and get some putts in. Not even close.